I've recently been on a weightlifting journey as I want to prevent muscle and strength loss as I grow older. And keeping your protein intake up is essential for that. So let me show you how to make a nutritious and flavorful braised chicken mee sua with Yuan Sang's essence of chicken with ginkgo biloba for added vitality. Before we start, I'm gonna try one on its own. Hey, nice eh? Wake up already, wake up already. This ginkgo one has a bit of like herbalness, not too sweet. Gonna be perfect with that gingery, huatiao, collagen chicken soup. Really wake up already, sir. So the base of this is, is the chicken essence. Less oilier. A lot less oilier and what? Choke. Let's do. Essentially, this step is called bao xiang, opening up the flavors by cooking it in oil. That's why my recipe always says cook until fragrant. Really, you can smell it. Almost there. Okay, chicken time. So the base of this recipe is inspired from sesame chicken, but a lot less oilier and a lot more protein. And also collagen. Good for your face. Xing chong, lao chong. We're gonna cover and simmer for 30 minutes. Got 30 minutes, right? Lift weights. Mee sua. Oh, it smells damn good. The mee sua has soaked up all that chicken flavor, the collagen from the chicken wings and the chicken feet, and then top it off with that essence of chicken. And just a slight herbalness from that ginkgo nut. Hey, this is honestly really damn good. Wow. If you want a simple way to boost your protein intake and boost the flavor of your dish, this is the way to go. Get moving. Go for a walk. Go for a jog.
Is that safe to go for a walk? What is the thing for?
No. Oh yeah. Don't go for a walk during the 30 minutes.